Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and you are enjoying the holidays very well at your home. But with the enjoyment you have to do study as well. So I am the teacher of class prep. My name is Husn Bano. I am here to teach you social studies. Today our topic is our country. This is very interesting topic, and in this topic you will learn about national things of your country. Okay, first of all tell me, have you listened the word America, Canada, Japan, China, South Africa, Italy? These are the name of the countries, and all these countries having their own flags. So with the help of the flag we can easily judge the name of the country. When we see the flag of the China, so we can easily judge that this is the flag of the China. The name of that country is China. So in this way, with the help of the flags, we can easily judge the country's name. Now we will discuss about our own country. Do you know the name of our country? The name of our country is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What is the name of our country? Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So you can see over here, what is this? This is our national flag. This is our national flag. And what is the color of our national flag? White and green. White and green. And over here you can see there is a crescent and a star in our flag. So this is the flag of our country. Now over here you can see that there are many things that are only belongs to our country. For example, there are many birds, but our national bird is chakor. Our national bird is chakor. There are many games just like cricket and football, basketball, polo, but our national game is hockey. Then there are many animals, but when we will talk about our country, Pakistan, so Pakistan national animal is markhor. Then come over here. You have seen that in the TV that in many countries the people wear different costume or different dress. But in Pakistan we wear shalwar kameez. This is our national dress. And do you know what is our national fruit? It is mango. And what is our national language? That is Urdu. Now come towards the flower. There are many flowers, rose, lily, but our national flower is jasmine. So it's all about our national things. These are related to Pakistan. Now come towards the book, we have to read the book. Okay students, now you have to open page number 15. It's about our country. There are many questions. You have to answer these questions. And we have already discussed about the national things. Our national dress is shalwar kameez. Our national game is hockey. Our national bird is chakor. Our national flower is jasmine. And our national animal is markhor. Now we have to learn the question and its answers. First question is, what is the full name of our country? The name of our country is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What is the full name of our country? The name of our country is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Okay, come towards the next question. What is the color of Pakistan's flag? You can see over here there are two colors. The color of the Pakistan flag is green and white. What is the color of the flag? The green and white. Then come towards the next question. Which two symbols are made on our flag? Which two symbols are made on our flag? You can see over here there is a crescent, just like a moon you can see over here, that is crescent, and over here there is a star. So the answer is crescent and star. The next question, what is the national game of Pakistan? I have already told you that there are many games, but the national game of Pakistan is hockey. The national game of Pakistan is hockey. Then come towards the next question. What is the national flower of Pakistan? There are many other flowers, but the national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. Okay, come towards the next question. What is the national dress of Pakistan? As you have seen over here, the national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. What is the national dress? Shalwar kameez. Come towards the next question. What is the national language of Pakistan? As I have already told you, the national language of Pakistan is Urdu. So it was about your country Pakistan. These are the national things that are only belong to Pakistan. Now come towards the activity page. We have to do the activity. Okay student, there is a worksheet. It's about our country. You have to complete this worksheet. Okay, read the statement with me. Draw or paste the picture of our national flag. You can draw the picture of the flag or you can paste the picture. So I am going to draw it with the help of scale. We will simply draw a straight line. Then over here a slipping line. Just like a square we have to draw. It's easy to draw. Okay, then you have to draw a line here like this. Then you have to make a crescent. Then you have to make a little star. This is the picture of a flag and you can color it. Okay, come towards the next statement. Circle and color the national flower. There are two flowers. This one is jasmine and this one is rose. Okay, tell me, what is our national flower? Yes, jasmine. You have to circle it. Then we have to do color as well. As you know, there are leaves. So, leaves are green color. We have to color it. Nicely we have to do the coloring in the leaves. As you know that jasmine is the flower and its color is white. And in the center a light yellow. Oh students, sorry, its lead has broken. Sorry for this. We will continue. We have to do outline. It's looking nice? Yes. You have to do outline like this with yellow color. And then over here light yellow in the bird. A little flower is called a bird. We are doing light color over here. So we have drawn a flag over here. There is a crescent and a star. Then what is the national flower? Obviously jasmine. Jasmine is our national flower. Okay student, it was about today's lecture. Hope you learn it very nicely. You have to draw the flag and you have to draw the circle as well over here. It was about today's lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.